everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. Today we're going to do an old-fashioned makeup and skincare haul. Your girl's been buying lots of exciting things and getting lots of exciting things sent to her, so of course I had to share it with you. I really want to just kind of talk about these different products. Some I've tried yet, some I haven't. So if you're interested in seeing my new products, then stay tuned. And also if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's how you can join in on all the fun. So I am going to just kick off this video. This is a makeup skincare haul, like I said, but I did get this beautiful jewelry recently sent to me. And of course, I have to share with you the hot deals and the hot products. So this is from a site called Pearlory, and they have the cutest things. I love a very minimalistic jewelry pieces nowadays, and they sent me two pieces. So the first is this gorgeous layered necklace. I am obsessed with it. I think it looks really cute, and I'm really just into this layered look, and you can just pair it with kind of anything, and it really just adds something. So these necklaces on their website are only about $15. So when you compare that to competitors, that is so cheap. And I'm so obsessed with these earrings they sent me. They are so in style right now. I really just love like the crescent earrings. So things like that are like $15 on their site. They ship to Canada and the US. So if you are Canadian, definitely check them out. And I just want to, yeah, so I will link the page down below, but really they just want to sell really cute jewelry at an affordable price. So, I mean, who wouldn't love a company like that? So I'll link them below, and yeah, you will definitely see these pieces on my Instagram if you follow me on there too. And I think I'll be making some more orders, or I'll be making an order from them because I really like their products. So we will jump into the makeup. So some of this stuff I did buy during Black Friday, but I'm just kind of getting it now. I'm still waiting on like a Shop Miss A order, but we will begin with the first item. The first item, actually, if you follow me on Instagram, and I did do a little post about this on the community tab, Pat McGrath always has really good sales on Black Friday, and I bought this palette. I actually have never tried a Pat McGrath palette. So this is their Ecstasy Sublime eyeshadow palette. So it's 5 kind of glitter shadows. I just love their packaging so much. That's kind of what it looks like. I haven't tried them yet, but I can definitely do a little video playing around with them. But I just thought this was such a good deal for $14 with free shipping. Like, who can beat that? So I'm really excited to try that. I love her lipstick, so I think I'll probably like her eyeshadow too. The next thing I actually got from that Sephora surprise 20% off sale. I didn't go ham. I will just say that just because I've talked about this in my videos. I'm trying to be better. But the thing that I got that I still have not opened, but I'm really intrigued, is I love Glow Recipe, no secret. But I get the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Magic. So this was $64 on sale for I think $56, and then with 20% off, it was around like $48. It is on sale now if you do want to get it. I think it's a really good set. So it comes with the clay pore tightening facial, which I haven't tried yet, but I love the watermelon products. And it has their toner and these TikTok famous glow drops. So overall, like, I can't wait to open this. I did just want to do the haul, but this is definitely going to go into my skincare. I really like, I'm using the Watermelon Glow Moisturizer right now, and it works really well on my skin. So I thought this was a good deal. And the other product I got was just a mini of the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Honey. So this actually changed my life. I had a sample, and I was like, you know what? I should use this. I was going on a date, and I really wanted to make sure that my under eyes look good. And then I started using it, and I was like, this is actually life-changing. My under eyes looked flawless. Then I got my 2 samples too. So I got, which I don't think I've actually tried this, the Fenty Blur Blend Skin Tint. I never tried that, so maybe I will do a little review on that and a wear test. And then I've never tried the Hourglass Vanish foundation too. So this actually is a pretty good sample. Like you get a lot. It's not just like this little piece of paper of samples. Like you do get it quite a bit. So I can definitely do a review on those two foundations because I love using samples to try foundations. And I love, of course, sharing foundation reviews with you. So that was what I got from Sephora. The rest of the items, oh, actually there was one thing I bought. I found this at Winners the other day, and if you follow me on TikTok, I do lots of Winners content. But I got this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. I don't think they actually sell this anymore, but it was only $20, and I'm like, how could I pass up a Charlotte Tilbury product for $20? I'm wearing it on my lips right now, and I think it looks really good. It's kind of like that mauvey, but a little bit deeper, and it just felt really nice when I put it on my lips. The formula didn't feel drying. So these next products I was definitely spoiled by. So I was sent some products from Real Techniques. So they sent me their Everyday Essentials brushes. So of course these are your everyday face and eye essentials. Real Techniques are such good brushes, and I've been using some like old brushes from when Canada was in Target, so I'm definitely going to upgrade my collection with these. They sent me the Everyday Eye Essentials, and there's so many good brushes in here too, and they're just so pretty. They also sent me like, oh, actually, yeah, I was sent this from a PR company, so I actually have 2 of those, so maybe you'll see it in a giveaway. And then they sent me these brushes, or sorry, these sponges, so the Miracle Complexion sponge, and it has a new look, so it's definitely a lot crisper, and these are so good. And okay, then I was sent some products from Chick Advisor. They sent me their new CoverGirl Exhibitionist Stretch and Strengthen Mascara. I did a little review on my TikTok, and I did a video, which I'll link. But I like this mascara. Definitely take a look at the review so you can see my total thoughts. So I got this, and then they had another campaign that I was a part of. So they sent me, I've done a review on this too. So definitely look it out. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. So I'll link that review too. That will give you my thoughts on that one. And then they sent me the NYX Pore Filler Primer. I had never tried this before. I have been trying it, and I'm actually not crazy about it. I find the consistency, I don't know if it was frozen or if it's like this, but it's very putty, and I find it's very hard to layer on the skin. It balls up. I was really excited to get this mascara sent to me. So I got these from Brill Communications. Thank you so much. They sent me, they know I love this, they sent me the Belief Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. So I can't remember if I did an empties video that featured this or didn't, but I actually used this toner up. It is so good. I really like it. Belief products are just really good, especially if you have dry skin. I love using them in the winter, and I love this. It works so well. And then they surprised me and sent me this gift set, and you can actually get this on Sephora. So this is the Explosive Hydration Holiday Set, and it comes with their makeup remover, their sleeping mask, the moisturizing balm, and the eye balm. So I'm really excited to try those because I haven't really tried any other I actually haven't tried any other Belief products. But those were just some items I wanted to share with you in my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it is a little bit choppy. My camera keeps going in and out, which is so annoying. Maybe it's time for me to buy a new one. But I thank you all so much for watching. I would love to know, what product would you like to see further? What product really caught your interest? And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And like I said earlier, if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. Everything will be linked below if you want this beautiful jewelry, if you want any of these products. I will have all the information down below. So I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.